Dude, this is perfect. Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome to yet another video. So today, me and my friend Jesse are headed to go hiking in the pouring rain. But that's okay because it's gonna be a straight vibe. If you guys are not subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell, do not miss another video, and I'll see you guys in the car. So we just got to the spot right now, and there's a tunnel over there. You can't really see it, but we're gonna board over there, and we're gonna check that out first before the hike. But I don't even know where we are. Where we are right now, Jesse?
Jim Thorpe.
Jim Thorpe.
Jim Thorpe, Pennsylvania.
Yeah. So I am Pennsylvania. I'm super excited to try this place out. It's been a while since we've had a good old adventure. I'm down for this. Yeah, we almost killed a squirrel on the way here, but it was weird. Like, we were driving, and the squirrel was in the middle of the street, and I looked at Jesse, and I was like, yo, we should just like hit it as a joke. But it just stood there. It wouldn't move. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the tunnel. In the cave, all right, let's see if we can, I guess, figure out, like, I feel really stupid. Yo, you know what this means, Jesse? I'm gonna be super shredded after this hike. Burning calories, kid. Alright, so we've been hiking up this mountain for a little bit, and wow, it is difficult. It's really hard. It's just like all steep. And we got this awesome view right here. Probably can't see it, but we're literally up in the clouds. It's crazy. So we're gonna keep like going up here, and there might be like I think there's like a waterfall on the other side or something. Might go swimming. We'll play it out. We'll see how we're feeling, but I'm vibing, so I'm ready. I got my bathing suit on. We're literally out here in this view right now. It is so sick. It is awesome. Too bad it is cloudy, but honestly it kind of adds to it. If you guys are enjoying yourself so far, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell, do not miss another video. Hit the like button, leave a comment, let me know you're here. Woo! It is a good day to be on a hike, honestly. I don't even care it's raining, it's just beautiful right now. The big one's all the way up there, dude.
There's no way to get to it.
I know.
Not safely, at least.
Well, if we had some equipment. There's a bigger waterfall all the way up there that we couldn't get to because it wasn't safe enough. But summer 2021, baby, we're gonna get rappel equipment and we're gonna get up there. Let's get it. What do you have to say about that?
Wet. It's cold.
Alright guys, we're out here in the town of Jim Thorpe. Jim Thorpe. We picked up some coffee and we finished the hike. The hike was awesome. The waterfall was sketchy. We couldn't get close enough because it was death. Like I think like 20 people died there because they just slipped off. Like you can't even see the waterfall until you see the waterfall. So that's awkward. So I'm gonna wrap up the video here, guys. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell, do not miss another video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.